so excited to be saying that today's video is packing for Hawaii. If you didn't know, I used to live in Hawaii and it's one of my favorite places in the entire world. About a week ago, we booked flights to Hawaii and now here I am packing for it. I started to pack just a little bit, but before we get packing, I need to run to Target and get some last minute things. So let's start there for the vlog. I came into Target just for a little sundress and somehow we have a giant basket, so let's get to trying on. This one is so cute and girly. I love it. I just don't know if it's like too dressy for just like a little sunset, but I think the flower detailing is so cute. Option number 2 is this cute little pink dress. I also have it in white, but I think the pink is so fun. And the back is this little bow. I love this one. The color of the set, I could probably go down a size in the pants, but they only have a medium. I love it. What do we think of this color on me? Because I've never worn something like this bright. I feel like it looks good with a tan. I need your opinions. Now we are shopping for snacks for the plane. For some reason, Austin thinks this is a good snack to have.
72 of them for $4.
You're just gonna keep chewing gum?
Exactly.
It's in the cart. I'm thinking more so Starburst could be good.
You didn't do your part.
Okay, we've added some chocolates. I ended up getting the Starburst and then family size of goldfish. That little Target run took way too long, so it's time to actually get to packing. We have a checked bag, but we don't actually own a checked bag, which I'm so confused by because I could have sworn we do. But we've just always used duffels and our duffel broke, so. All I have is this duffel from our high school. Personally, I feel like it's bigger than just like the normal little carry-on bag, so we're gonna see. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks friggin' small. I originally picked out these workout clothes, but I feel like what I got from Target is better. And I didn't buy everything from Target, but there were so many things I loved. So I ordered it to the Target in Hawaii so I could just pick it up. And then that way, at least on the way there, I can have a little more room for snacks and stuff. I always bring these sweatshorts everywhere I go. I love them. And then I just grabbed a bunch of big comfy tees because I feel like that's what I wear the most. Not fully done packing, but I did get a head start. These overalls from Old Navy go everywhere with me. Then I have some little tanks. My favorite Abercrombie Curve Love shorts. Target PJ set. These are the softest sets ever. The only thing that Target didn't have in Hawaii was my cute dress that I went for. I love the color so much. I also love these PJs that I got. I don't know if I showed you guys. I don't think I did. Okay. Look at these little strawberry PJs. And then I just got like a matching tank top that came with it. Hey, Hurdy. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but I'm really excited about the swimsuits, so let's go over there and look at those. I can never limit myself with swimsuits, so I gotta figure out how many days we're gonna be there and how many I actually need. Oz, how many days are we gonna be in Hawaii? So I need like 10 swimsuits. I'm obviously going to bring the new triangle swimsuits I just got. They are so cute. And then I'm going to see Heather while I'm there, so I of course have to wear a sun bleached swimsuit to go see her. I'm thinking this one, but I think I'm also gonna bring one of her one pieces just in case. I don't know, just in case of what, but I want the one piece. That's 4. I'm not gonna count the one piece as one because it's just an extra. I always think of things as brands that I like, so. I love my Lenny swims. I'm gonna bring one of those. I feel like I have some weird emotional attachment to swimsuits, so this is so stressful for me. I picked out this Kalani one. This is one of my favorite prints they have. The issue and the good thing with Kalani is number 1, they always have so many new prints. But number 2, my favorite ones, they don't sell anymore, so you guys will like ask where something's from, and they can't tell you because they no longer have it because they always have something new. I've never worn this, so I probably shouldn't pack it because it means that I probably will never wear it. But it's so cute. It's like a little, you know, tie cover-up. I feel like it'd be perfect for Hawaii. I'll put it over there. Ooh, this swimsuit from Feline Swim would be so cute. The colors, very Hawaii. This bikini is another favorite that every single time I wear it, I always get asked about it. I don't even know what number we're at now, but it's probably number too much. I feel like I have to throw my favorite honey swim in there, but now I just feel like these are different blues, right? Yeah, you can never have too much blue. This olive lin one with the seashell prints. I need to count how many I have right now. 9. We're already at 10, but I feel like I don't have enough. Okay, let me go through again. Why is this so hard? I like genuinely feel bad leaving out certain swimsuits. I'm also trying to think like, what did I wear last time I was in Hawaii? So that, you know, the photos look kind of different. I limited myself to 11 swimsuits for the total of my days. So let's see if we can fit them all in this bag. I feel like we can't. Yeah, this isn't happening, but let's see. It's all the underwire ones that don't want to come in here. And I don't know though, I feel like we might be able to make it happen. Got them all in! I had so much fun trying on outfits for my trip that I just realized that I'm wearing one of the outfits I need to pack. I also have not counted the amount of outfits I have. I definitely don't have anywhere close to something for 10 days. Like, how many outfits do you actually need to have before you start re-wearing things? I don't know. This hat goes with me everywhere. And then whenever I'm on a trip, I limit myself to one jacket. So I feel like this one might be good, but either way, I'll wear it on the airplane. This is just one from the beach club. And honestly, I just love like a zip up one because I feel like it's good over a swimsuit. Then I'll probably wear it with these sweatpants from Hollister. Call me crazy, but I feel like I need one more t-shirt. Maybe I'm overdoing that. Maybe one more little tank? I don't know. I'll probably have to re-go through this when I think about it a little more, but luckily we're not leaving for another day, so I can think on this one. Oh, we need to go back into the bikini room and get the necessities. So my snorkel. Hawaii is freaking cold, the water especially, so I'm gonna bring my spring suit, and then we have Austin's spring suit. Here is the hardest question. What jewelry do we pack? Oh, okay, I just got these from Voyage by Paris and a bunch of other fun things like this cute little bracelet and this cowrie shell necklace. So I feel like I'll grab some of these. Okay, I'll just grab them all. Now I need another bag to put all of this in. Then I have my Logan Tay jewelry that I always love. I'm now just packing every single piece of jewelry I've ever owned, but I have this bracelet from Logan Tay. I have my jewelry from Coastline Color that's made of these seashells. I have some earrings from them as well that are so pretty. I love this bracelet from Delisi Co. And then my rings. I have this one that I just got at a market. This one that I got while living in Hawaii. My honey blue rings. And I actually have a really special shark tooth one on my way now, so I think it should be here in time. And then one of my favorites, this shark tooth necklace from Salty Sage, who I should also be seeing in Hawaii, so I'm gonna see all my favorite people there. Also just gonna throw in this anklet that's also by Voyage. I think that should be enough, honestly. It's a lot of jewelry. I'm going to pack like my makeup and my skincare later because I still have a couple days until we leave. But last but not least, I grabbed a couple things as I was walking around. I need to remember a razor. That is one thing I feel like I always forget and you need on a beach trip. But I have this Teletise hair clip. It is my favorite hair clip ever. I think I have a second smaller one in here as well. Okay, yes. I had this one as well. My GoPro, always. We're gonna make some fun content while we're there. I'm gonna pack up this Erin Made bag because it bundles up so teeny tiny. And I love to bring this to the beach. I'm also bringing my towel dress that is launching so soon, guys. I'm so excited, and we're gonna take some fun photos while we're there. I am panicking because I can't find my sunglasses. I'm hoping they're in the car, but they are my favorite things ever. And then last thing that I can think of is, I always like to share this. It's my little Shark AirPod case. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with anything shark-like, so I have to put that in the carry-on. I'm so stressed. I hate like packing because I always forget something, which is why I like to pack a little ahead of time, because then while I'm walking around my house, I'll be like, oh, wait, I need that, because all of like the normal things are out of the way. Hopefully that's all. I'm going to be doing a whole vlog of my entire time there, so that'll be so much fun. Basically, we're going because Austin's mom is getting surgery and his dad won't be in town to help her, so we're flying all the way from Florida so Austin can go help her with anything she needs while she comes out of surgery. And I basically said, I'll come too. So I'm gonna be going there to go hang out with different friends. So I'm really, really excited. We are back the next day to kind of just finish up some packing. I am wearing the strawberry shorts that I showed you guys yesterday. And I did also switch bags. So I found this bigger bag. And now most of our stuff is packed in there. I got some tennis shoes, which I didn't think I'd be able to fit. That's nice. And then my towel dress is in here, the wetsuits are in here, pretty much everything. And then I'm just finishing up on like the face stuff and things like that I didn't want to have to pack. I have been loving these, what are they called? Dr. Dennis Gross peeling masks. I've been breaking out really, really bad and I feel like they're helping so much. And then I have my Sunbum air dry cream and some leave-in. I love California Naturals so much. I use them shampoo, conditioner, everything. So I'm bringing their leave-in. And then Paula's Choice sunscreen. And then also just like a Coola face sunscreen. For my skincare, these last like week or so, I've been trying to minimize it a little bit. I'm not really sure what's causing the breakouts. It's like abnormally a lot of breakouts that I don't normally have, so I'm trying to pinpoint it. So I simplified it down to just washing my face and then having CeraVe hyaluronic acid serum. And then I love this Just Ingredients serum. And then I just put these on the little spots when I can. It's from La Roche-Posay. It's the dual action acne treatment. Now I'm actually panicking because I'm just like, what have I forgotten? Oh, I found my sunglasses in the car. Let me show you these. They are from Les Specs. I don't know how to correctly pronounce it, but I think they're just like the perfect shape ever. Like whenever I wear them for a photo, honestly I wear them too much in photos. I just think it makes the photo so much better because they're such like cool girl sunglasses. Now we've moved on to the carry-on bag. I almost did forget though the most important thing. 1,000,000 hair ties so I can wear my little hairstyle. I didn't address what I'm wearing either. I just bought this from Target. I forgot to show you guys, but I've never had a neck pillow, so I'm gonna try this one out. See how we like it. So the hair ties in there. I use this Merit bag for my makeup. This is my Awala I bring everywhere. So that'll go on my carry-on. And then I just use this old Billabong backpack always. And then I always wear very minimal makeup, so it's a light pack for that. I remembered a razor, so that's good. I don't know why, but I always just like keep my makeup in my carry-on bag. My hair clip and my sunglasses. If you don't bring socks to the airport, because I personally wear flip-flops, you got it, because your feet get cold. And this is my skincare stuff that I'm going to put in this bag because it's too big. Also, if you don't have your own personal scale, you also need that. This is like my saving grace. Currently, we're not even close to the limit though. I kind of feel like that's it. I don't know what else I could possibly need. I have to add all my candies and like my snacks into my bag, but our bags are like pretty open. And then I'll be adding the GoPro, the camera, the vlog camera, which you guys are on, so I can vlog the whole trip. And then besides that, I just have to pack for my dog being away, so he always stays with my mom. And he doesn't need that much stuff, but just like his food and toys and everything like that. I am so excited to be going to Hawaii though, and I'm even more excited to bring you guys along on the adventure because we're gonna have a lot of fun together this week. So I guess I'll see you guys in Hawaii next.